happiness, happiness, farxad. Happiness brings people together. Farxadda waxay isku keentaa dadka. Food, cunto, food. Healthy food is important. Healthy food is important. Cuntada caafimaadka leh waa muhiim. Team work, team work. Wadajir. Team work makes tasks easier. Wadajirku wuxuu sahlaa howlaha. Job, job, shaqo. He is looking for a new job. He is looking for a new job. Wuxuu raadinayaa shaqo cusub. Communication, communication, isgaarsiin. Communication improves relationships. Communication improves relationships. Isgaarsiinta waxay hagaajisaa xiriirka. Report, report, warbixin. The report explains the project. The report explains the project. Warbixintu waxay sharxaysaa mashruuca. Story, story, sheeko. Parents tell good stories. Parents tell good stories. Waalidka waxay sheegaan sheekooyin wanaagsan. Skills, skills, xirfad. Learning new skills is helpful. Learning new skills is helpful. Barashada xirfadaha cusub waa waxtar. Friends, friends, saaxiibo. Friends support each other. Friends support each other. Saaxiibaha way isgarab istaagaan. Training, training, tababar. The training was very useful. The training was very useful. Tababarku wuxuu ahaa mid waxtar badan. Holiday, holiday, fasax. Holidays are a time for relaxation. Holidays are a time for relaxation. Fasaxyadu waa waqti nasiino. Neighbor, neighbor, deriska. Neighbors help each other. Neighbors help each other. Deriska way iscaawiyaan. Thinking, thinking, fikir. Thinking carefully helps decisions. Thinking carefully helps decisions. Fikirka si taxadir leh wuxuu ka caawiyaa go'aanada. Congratulations, congratulations, hambalyo. Congratulations on your achievement. Congratulations on your achievement. Hambalyo guushaada aad ku guulaysatay. Technology, technology. Technology makes communication better. Technology makes communication better. Teknolojiyada wuxuu sahlaa isgaarsiinta. Confidence, confidence, kalsooni. Confidence makes life better. Confidence makes life better. Kalsoonida nolosha way ficnaysaa. Education, education, waxbarasho. Education opens new opportunities. Education opens new opportunities. Waxbarashadu waxay furtaa fursado cusub. Mother, mother, hooyo. Mothers take care of their children. Mothers take care of their children. Hooyooyinka waxay daryeelaan carruurtooda. Father, father, aabe. Fathers teach us life lessons. Fathers teach us life lessons. Aabayaasha waxayna baraan casharo nololeed. Country, country, wadan. There are 195 countries. There are 195 countries. Waxaa jiro 195 wadamo. Beauty, beauty, qurux. Beauty comes from kindness. Beauty comes from kindness. Quruxda waxay ka timaadaa naxariista. Light, light, iftiinka. Light helps us see. Light helps us see. Iftiinka wuxuu naga caawiyaa aragga. Disaster, disaster, musiibo. Natural disasters can be dangerous. Natural disasters can be dangerous. Musiibooyinka dabiiciga waxay noqon karaan halis. World, world, dunida. The world is full of wonders. The world is full of wonders. Dunida waxaa ka buuxdo waxyaabo la yaab leh. Air, air, hawo. Fresh air is good for health. Fresh air is good for health. Hawada nadiifka wuxuu u fiican yahay caafimaadka. Night, night, habeen. I don't like going outside at night. I don't like going outside at night. Habeenkii inaa banaanka aado ma jecli. Speech, speech, hadal. Speech can inspire people. Speech can inspire people. Hadalka dadka wuu dhiirgelin karaa. Travel, travel, safar. Traveling teaches different cultures. Traveling teaches different cultures. Safarka waxaa laga bartaa dhaqamo kala duwan. Family, family, qoys. Family gives us love. Family gives us love. Qoyska waxayna siiyaan jacayl. Time, time, waqti. Time management is important. Time management is important. Maamulka waqtiga waa muhiim. Sleep, sleep, hurdada. Good sleep keeps us healthy. Good sleep keeps us healthy. Hurdada fiican waxay naga dhigtaa kuwo caafimaad qabo. Cooking, cooking, karinta. I enjoy cooking food. I enjoy cooking food. Cunto karinta waan ka helaa. Strength, strength, awood. Strength helps us overcome challenges. Strength helps us overcome challenges. Awooddu waxay naga caawisaa ka gudubka caqabaha. Health, health, caafimaad. Health is our greatest wealth. Health is our greatest wealth. Caafimaadka waa hantida ugu weyn. Honesty, honesty, daacadnimo. Honesty builds trust. Honesty builds trust. Daacadnimada waxay dhistaa kalsoonida. Market, market, suuqa. The market sells fresh food. The market sells fresh food. Suuqa waxay gadaan cunto cusub. Relationships, relationships, xiriiryo. Relationships with family is important. Relationships with family is important. Xiriirka qoyska waa muhiim. Bread, bread, roti. I did bake bread. I did bake bread. Waxaan dubay roti. Microwave, microwave, kuleyso. Put the food in the microwave. Put the food in the microwave. Raashinka kuleysada geli. Challenges, challenges, dip. Challenges make us stronger. Challenges make us stronger. Dhibaatooyinka waxay naga dhigaan kuwo xoog badan. Water, water, biyo. Without water, there is no life. Without water, there is no life. Biyo la'aan waa nolol la'aan. Land, land, dhul. I bought land. I bought land. Anigu dhul ayaan iibsaday. Head, head, madaxa. The head controls the body. The head controls the body. Madaxa wuxuu xukumaa jirka. Encouragement, encouragement, dhiirgelin. Encouragement helps people grow. Encouragement helps people grow. Dhiirgelintu waxay dadka ka caawisaa koritaanka. Knowledge, knowledge, cilmiga. Knowledge is power. Knowledge is power. Cilmiga waa awood. Love, love, jacayl. Love brings happiness. Love brings happiness. Jacaylku wuxuu keenaa farxad. Friendship, friendship, saaxiibtinimo. Friendship makes life more enjoyable. Friendship makes life more enjoyable. Saaxiibtinimada waxay nolosha ka dhigtaa mid xiiso leh. Success, success, goal. Success comes from hard work. Success comes from hard work. Guusha waxay ka timaadaa dadaal badan. Culture, culture, dhaqan. Culture is important to learn. Culture is important to learn. Dhaqanka waa muhiim in la bartaa. Cashirkeena intaas ayuu ku ekaa. Haddaa ilaa intaan soo gaartay fadlan muuqaalka like iyo saar. Waxaa inoo balan cashirkan cashirka ku xigo.